Let's check this text together. It is an A-level text and we can read it together. Ez di maleke mezin de dijîm. Li ber malê baxçeyekî hêşin heye. Ez carinan li wir ders dixebitim. Van deman hewa pir xweş e. Ji ber vê yekê ez bi gelemperî li derve ders dixebitim. Di wî baxçeyê de zarok jî hene. Ew bi hev re dilîzin. Dema ez li malê dixebitim, ez qehweyê vedixwim. Her roj 3 an 4 saatan dixebitim. Bi gelemperî li ser kompüterê me. Here we can check a few words quickly. The first one is a suffix baxçeyekî hêşin. This one is creating a phrase to say a green garden. There is a green garden in front of the house. The other one is this suffix, this one for saying it is. Hewa pir xweş e. Weather is very nice. Another one is a conjunction. It means, it says ji ber vê and it means because. Sometimes we say also ji ber vê yekê. It also means because. And another one is a verb. It says dilîzin. Dilîzin, they are playing. Ew bi hev re dilîzin. They are playing together. Another one is a suffix, is an object suffix. Qehweyê vedixwim. I'm drinking the coffee. It's an object suffix. It means, it makes the object a bit more clear to say the coffee. And last one is a particle to say I am. Li ser kompüterê me. I am on the computer.